How to add music to your Snapchat stories. Hello guys, my name is Shahid and today I'm going to show you in this video how you can add music to your Snapchat stories and snaps that you can send it to anyone, or you can send it to your stories or our stories on Snapchat. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get into it. So first of all, you need to open your Snapchat application, and once you open your Snapchat application, you can click any picture. Like I will click this one, and once you click the picture, the edit option will appear on the screen, on the left of the screen, and here you can see the music option. So once you click on the music option, there are many options that you can select from. There are featured and the mood one as well, so you can select any of the music from here. This is all the available options that you have in the mood section as well. This is all that you have. So I will select one file, and once you select a file here, so what you need to do is that once you select the file, as you can see at the bottom, you can select that which part of the song or the music file you want. So you can just drag it to one side or to the other side, and then once you select the length of it, and then you can click on the yellow tick mark at the bottom, and this is how you can add the music to your Snapchat stories and snaps. And here you can just click on the send to option, and once you click on the send to option, there are options that you can send it to my story, our story, or you can send it to your contact as well. And so any contact you just select, and the snap you can send it to them. So this is how you can do. You can capture a picture, and even you can edit it like the other. You can use all the other edit option to make your snap look much better. And then you can do the other thing you can do is that there is an option of save that snap to your mobile phone as well. So from here you can save it, and then you can post it on other social applications as well. So another thing I want to tell you, I will discard this one. The other thing that you can do, you can use your existing pictures as well. Like you can go to your snaps, or you can go to your camera roll, and from here you can select any picture. Suppose I select this one, and from here you go to the edit option, which is in the left bottom corner, and once you click on it, and here you can see is the music option. It's the same method that I mentioned in the beginning. So you can choose any file, then you can send this picture with the music to either make it your Snapchat story or our story, or you can send it to any contacts in your list as well. So guys, this is how you can add the music to your Snapchat stories and snaps. So I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.